welcome to my channel. My name is Regina and I'm just happy to see you. So the other day I found myself in Sally Beauty Supply and they were having a sale 2 for $15 on select hair care items, and I knew I wanted to purchase a new shampoo and conditioner anyway, and here's what I ended up getting. This is the shampoo and conditioner from Silk Elements, and it's the luxury moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Just the name, the word luxury, was enough to reel me in. I mean, hey, who doesn't want luxurious hair? So I bought these two. They are 16 ounce. They're big bottles, 16 fluid ounces each, and they are for relaxed or natural dry damaged hair. I don't think my hair is damaged. I know it's not damaged, but it is a little dry and I can totally use some TLC. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and get into this luxurious wash day with the Silk Elements Luxury Shampoo and Conditioner. So look at my hair. It's very dry. I've got some flakes up in there. Believe it or not, I have flakes with some pretty good definition in there from my last twist out, but my scalp's been itching. And of course, this is one of those times where, unfortunately, I hadn't been able to wash my hair, so I had to just, I've been wearing a side ponytail, a curly side ponytail, and a high bun, and as many buns as there are. So I am shampooing my hair, and I'll be honest with you, this is the third shampoo I'm doing on my hair because I did the first 2 washes in my shower. And as you can see, the shampoo massages into a very rich lather pretty quickly, almost as soon as I put it on, and it did the same thing with the first wash and the second wash. And again, I'm doing this, I'm showing you my wash. I'm doing it, shampooing my hair in the bathroom sink. Nothing beats a good shampoo in the shower. I mean, if you think about it, gravity is just pulling all the water down, all the soap down, and your hair is not getting tangled because everything is flowing downward. So I love shampooing my hair in the shower. But to show you just how the shampoo lathered up so well, that's why I'm doing it in the sink. I wanted to show you. Ingredients in this shampoo include shea butter, silk, panthenol provitamin B5, which acts as a humectant to absorb and retain moisture. Bingo! That's actually one of the reasons I chose this shampoo. It claims to rehydrate, repair, and revive dry, damaged hair while gently cleansing. And honestly, I am curious to see if these claims work. And here's why. I wish you all could hear the loud squeaking noise that my hair was making as I massaged this shampoo in before I even rinsed it. As I was just shampooing my hair, massaging it into my scalp and my hair, oh my gosh, I felt like it was just stripping all of the oils out of my hair. Now the good thing is, whatever buildup I had, because I was going pretty heavy on the tea tree oil over these past really 2 weeks or week and a half. So I'm glad that the shampoo, really got in there and removed any buildup. But that squeaky sound is just not, it's just not what I was doing this for. So